How did I get here? I turned around and there you were. I didn't think twice or rationalize, cause somehow I knew that there was more than just chemistry. I mean, I knew you were kind of into me, but I figured it's too good to be true. I said, pinch me, where's the catch this time? Can't find a single cloud in the sky. Help me before I get used to this guy. They say that good things take time, but really great things happen. All this time I was looking for love, trying to make things work. They weren't good enough till I thought I'm through. Said I'm done and stumbled into the arms of the one. You're making me laugh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Nicole. We wish you all the best. And may you be more bolder to God.
Happy birthday, Nicole. We miss you and we love you. Be yourself always and maging close ka palalo kay God. Tapos, magbago. And kung ano yung dreams mo, maabot mo.
Saka Ate Nicole, sana related ka na, mas ma-free ka pa, sana mas lalo ka magpagamit kay Lord.
Explore life with God.
And always be yourself.
Hey, we love you.
Basta enjoy your night, enjoy your debut. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday.
It's your day. It's your day.
Yes. Dinig ba yan?
Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy 18th birthday!
birthday!
Happy
Happy birthday, Ate Nicole. Sana nag-ingat ka dyan.
Parang malungkot ka.
Happy birthday, Nicole. Miss na kita.
Ang
Ayan, happy birthday, Nicole. Ingat ka dyan. Happy birthday, Nicole. Steve, birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ate Nicole! Pataba ka. Mahirap pala cameraman. Ingat ka dyan! Happy birthday, Mark! Ay, Nicole! Happy birthday! Huwag ka pataba! Happy birthday! Ay, may special message doon dito. Ako, special message niya. Meron ba yan? Happy birthday kay Nicole. Alam mo ba, sa tagal-tagal natin nagsama, sneakers lang binigay mo sa akin. Grabe ah. Nicole ha, nakaya mo naman. Nabibili to sa Pinas. Grabe ka naman. Sige, happy birthday. Ikaw wala. Hindi siya meron, ako wala. Nandito no. Happy birthday. Si manager oh, manager. Ay. Nicole.
Birthday, Ate.
Oh, dito na ako. Hindi ako. Ano ba yan? Hindi ito ibibigay sa GMA.
Kamusta?
Hindi ako.
Birthday, Nicole. Happy birthday.
Mahirap pala cameraman.
Birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate.
Ay, hindi ka siya.
Happy birthday, Nicole. Happy birthday, Ate. Ay, Nicole.
Adi. Ay, di ba? Dito sa
Ang lolo. Happy birthday.
seryoso tayo. Sino ba may birthday? Kasi happy birthday Nicole. Sana magka-boyfriend ka, mas maputi sa'yo. Tapos ka na eh. Hindi pa ako tapos. Hindi pa daw siya tapos. Happy birthday. Ikaw muna, ikaw muna.
Mamaya na.
Ay, next. Ikaw na.
Alam na namin yung
Oh, next. 18 next. Di ako. Hi. Hello. You know, malaki pala ako.